Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to bond mobile number on Rednote. So if you want to bond your mobile number on Rednote and you don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process that is required for you to bond your mobile number on the Rednote application if your mobile number is on bond. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to bond your phone number on Rednote, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote application and make sure you've already signed into the Rednote account. Click on the menu icon at the top left, then click on the GR settings icon here as pointed. So click on settings. On the settings page, locate and click on account security. Once you selected account security, go ahead and click on mobile, which is on bond. Then select your country code and type in your phone number. Once you type in your phone number and then select your country code from this drop menu, just go ahead and click on get code. Go ahead, type in the verification code that is sent to your phone number and then click on link. Then this is my code, so just copy the code. Then go back to the Rednote application, paste the code. Then click on link. Then you should say linked. That shows you've successfully bound your phone number. Then you can now go back, return back to your Rednote app screen. So that is basically how to band phone number on Rednote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.